Hey guys, so welcome to my channel, and today I will be doing the first impression of the Arctic Fox Virgin Pink, and I got it on my hand. But these are the results, and you'll see what color my hair was before and how it turned out like this and what I did and what I used and stuff like that in the video. And I will talk more about my thoughts and stuff like that in the end, but yeah, continue watching. Thanks. Need your dye, any white conditioner, a mixing bowl, and a brush. Does it look okay?
Yes, looks good. Either way. I thought it was gonna be like the color of your shirt.
Yeah, me too. I thought that too. I diluted it and everything, but hey guys, so I'm super late on the last part of this video, and I just wanted to say I'm sorry, but I've been really busy with life pretty much, but yeah. And so pretty much my review and my thoughts on the Arctic Fox would be, I prefer it way over Manic Panic for sure. It's been 2 weeks since I first filmed and when I first dyed it, and I washed it a good few times since then. And I mean, you can still see it's pretty intense still. So it hardly bleeds, and when I wash it hardly bled actually after the second wash. It hardly bled at all. So I totally recommend that. And yeah, I would say that the only reason why I'm unhappy with it was on my end, when I guess I didn't dilute it enough, and it came out a magenta color. So that was my only dealio, but other than that, I was happy with it. Like, it's still, after like washing it so many times, it's still, you know, looks good, and you know, it's still pink. But yeah, so that's it, and I hope this helped you out, and I hope, I don't know, this helps someone that's looking how it would turn out or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna see you later. Bye.